There goes there. Oh, it's getting so tall.
Okay, kiddos, it's almost time to get ready for bed.
Not yet. We're almost done building our giant block tower.
Wow, that is almost as tall as me. I see you've worked really hard. So you're probably getting pretty tired.
Oh, no. Oh, we don't have any more blue blocks.
That's okay. We can use a green one.
No. It's gotta be a blue one on top.
Okay, I can look for a blue block.
There's that yawn again. Rudy, are you getting sleepy?
No, I am awake. And I really need to find a blue block to finish this tower.
Well, I can see you're breathing hard. You know, sometimes when we're tired, we get frustrated easily.
I'm not frustrated.
Aha! I found the blue one. You can put it on top.
No.
Rudy, why don't you finish that tower tomorrow? It looks like you're feeling tired and frustrated.
I am not getting frustrated. I'm just really...
Oh no!
It's ruined.
Here, I know something that can help. A belly breath. Want to do it with me?
Oh, okay.
All right then. Let's put our hands on our bellies. Now take a slow, deep breath in. Then slowly breathe out. Feeling better?
Yeah, a little.
You know, sometimes when we're tired, our big feelings can feel even bigger. But when we get enough sleep, we're taking care of our feelings, our bodies, and our brains.
Why do we gotta take care of our brains?
Our brain is part of our body. It's in our heads. We need to take care of it to help us play and learn. Getting rest is one way we can take care up there.
I guess I am pretty tired.
All right, let's start our bedtime routine. It's toothbrushing time.